Modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. In 1913, the English scientist Henry Moseley demonstrated with the help of the experiment doing using X-ray tube that the atomic number of an element corresponds to the positive charge on the nucleus or the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom of that element. This revealed that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element than its atomic mass. According to the statements of the modern periodic law was stated as follows. Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Modern periodic table, long form of periodic table. The classification of elements resulting from an arrangement of elements in an increasing order of their atomic numbers is the modern periodic table. The properties of elements can be predicted more accurately with the help of modern periodic table, formed on the basis of atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is also called the long form of periodic table. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in accordance with their atomic numbers. As a result, most of the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic tables appear to be removed. However, the ambiguity about the position of hydrogen is not removed even in the modern periodic table. We have seen in the previous standard the electronic configuration of atom. The way in which the electrons are distributed in the shell around the nucleus is determined by total number of electrons in it, and the total number of electrons in atom is same as the atomic number. The relation between the atomic number of an element and its electronic configuration is clearly seen in modern periodic table. Structure of modern periodic table. The modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows called periods 1 to 7. Similarly, the 18 vertical columns in the table are the groups 1st to 18. The arrangement of periods and groups result into the formation of boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated in the upper part of these boxes. Each box corresponds to place of one element. Apart from the 7 rows, 2 rows are shown separately at the bottom of the periodic table. These are called as lanthanide series and actinide series respectively. There are 118 boxes in the periodic table including the 2 series. It means that there are 118 places for elements in the modern periodic table. Very recently, formation of few elements was established experimentally, and thereby the modern periodic table is now completely filled. All the 118 elements are now discovered. The entire periodic table is divided into four blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block. The S block contains the groups 1 to 2. The groups 13 to 18 constitute the P block. The groups 3 to 12 constitute the D block, while the lanthanide and actinide series at the bottom from the F block. The D block elements are called transition elements. A zigzag line can be drawn in P block of the periodic table. The 3 traditional types of the elements can be clearly shown in the modern periodic table with the help of zigzag line. The metalloid elements lie along the border of zigzag line. All the elements lie on the left side of the zigzag line, while all other non-metals lie on the right side. Groups and electronic configuration. The number of valence electron in elements from group first, that is the family of alkali metals, is same. Similarly, if you look at the elements from any other group, you will find the numbers of their valence electrons to be same. For example, the elements beryllium, magnesium, and calcium belongs to the group second, that is the family of alkaline earth metals. There are 2 electrons in their outermost shell. Similarly, there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of the elements such as fluorine and chlorine from the group 17, that is the family of halogens. While going from top to bottom within any group, one electronic shell gets added at a time. From this, we can say that the electronic configuration of outermost shell is characteristics of particular group. However, as we go down a group, the number of shells goes on increasing. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers. Vertical columns are called as groups. There are 18 groups. The chemical properties of elements in the same groups show similarity in gradation. Horizontal rows are called periods. There are in all 7 periods. The properties of elements change slowly from one end to another in a same period.